Well, good evening, everybody. What a Merry Christmas this has turned out to be. I got a delivery from CIP1, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up and show you what we got. This is all stuff for the 61. Now, this was so big, the order came in 2 separate days. So I got a package yesterday and 2 packages today. Let me go set this. Let's see what we got. We got new ice pick door handles, both keyed. What I'm going to do is they're not all matching, so I'm going to get I have a new ignition. Well, I'm jumping the gun here. A new ignition switch here. So I'm going to get the ignition switch and the key to the ignition switch, the door locks, and the lid here, all keyed exactly. So I got a guy that does all my Volkswagen locks. Going to get that taken care of. Let's see. All right. Since this was hitting the rear, I got new brackets here that hold the rear apron on. So I got both of those. This one's the one that's mangled is this one here, but I figured I'd just replace them both. New metal. Battery tray. This is for the driver's side. I got an engine bay web bracket because on this side it got a little mangled from the impact. Gonna do that. Brake lines. So I got front and rear soft lines. I've got them. Need those. Metal for the lower parts of the cargo doors. They're rotted. And this piece here in the engine bay, one of the tins, one of the pieces of metal where the seal goes around the engine, this got rusted off, so I'm just going to replace the whole piece. I'll show you this later because it's going to correspond to something else. Other ice pick handle and a blank key. And here's the bottoms, the outer bottom skins for the cargo doors. Those as well. All right, that's going to complete this box. Box 2. Let's see what we got here. And a rear apron. And I also got the hardware for it too. All right, the last package we got here. This is the last one. This is the whole complete front cargo floor with the e-brake bracket here as well. So that's it on this order. CIP I'm telling you, CIP has the best prices, free shipping on the metal. I've looked at other places, but they charge a lot to ship metal, and this was free. They had Christmas special. They have the Christmas special going on right now, so you're 10% off, free shipping. I think I spent over $200. You get another 10% off, I believe it was, and very good deal. I'm going to go ahead and purchase another big order. However, I need the side pieces just over the wheel wells. They're out of stock until February, so I think I'm going to place another big order. I got to get out triggers, jack points, sides there over the wheel wells, probably some other stuff. Yes, actually, for the front windows, I could at least get the bottom pieces for that because they're rotted on the bottom, or maybe I just might get the whole frame. We'll see. But that's what we got right now. Big purchases, big things happening. So, oh, also, I didn't show the corners. I got corners for the. All right, it looks like I forgot to unpack one other thing. Rear corners. got the rear corners of the bus too. What I'll do is, obviously I have to fill in the holes, take these lights out. I'm gonna have to pull this out because they get smashed in. I'm gonna heat this up and pull it out, straighten it out. I'll get another piece of metal. I'll kind of trace this out in here, and I'll go ahead and weld that piece, cover that, and then drill the new holes for the taillights. That's what we're working at right now. All right, so the only thing that we did so far was put the rims and tires on. We're still waiting for 2 more rims. We got that going. We got metal orders for the bus. We got all the metal, most of the metal. We're going to be placing another order in the future for more when other metal comes in. Next week is our second leg of the trip. So we're going from Houston to Phoenix, and when we come back, we'll probably start doing some of the metal work. So stay tuned to that. Subscribe to the videos. You'll get updates on live feeds. You'll get updates on what projects we're going to be working on. Might jump to the Squareback. Who knows? Might go over to the Beetle, 71 bus. Who knows? Well, we got a lot of work to do to 61. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great night. We'll see you guys next time.